making slime, you will need any laundry detergent. In this video, we will be using Gain. You can add glitter. You don't have to. It's optional. This is a paper that will make your slime thicker. Me personally, I would go with it. But it does make your slime really thick. Well, let's get on to the video.
Hey guys! Today we're going to be making Christmas slime.
Not just any normal slime.
Yeah, so the things that really we're going to be using for Christmas is just some glitter.
We got some blue glitter.
And pink.
Not blue. We have green glitter.
And a pinkish red. And then we have these at the end, so it gives you like really cool.
So what you do is you wrap your slime around it. Then you just play with your slime normally, and it will rip into the slime.
Yeah. If you guys have not seen like gold ones where they put like gold foil and then they break it, it's really cool. So you guys should go check that out. We're using paintbrushes for our spoons.
They're pretty cool, actually. They mix it quicker than normal things.
Yeah. So let's just get started.
Okay. Who wants to see our Christmas setup? I think we worked real hard on this.
Yeah.
Got our little hats right here.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
So why don't we just get started?
Let's get started.
Okay. I'm gonna grab glue. I'll get this one ready. I wasn't paying attention. I realized that. Okay. I guys did not pay attention to mine, so it's like full.
It's still heavy, so we're good.
Okay. So I think I'm gonna add some greenish blue color.
You guys should check out all our other videos.
Yeah, we don't have too many, but we have a good amount. I'm doing really glittery because I love glitter.
I'm going to mix mine together, see what it looks like.
This is gonna be pretty. We're doing a lot of the same, kind of. So we're doing the same kind of slime as Zach's doing.
Yep.
I'm just doing a bigger amount because I was not paying attention.
Okay, so we got that done with real quick. Now all we have to do is add the laundry detergent.
And I'm going to show you what it looks like. It's really hard to see. And add this in really slow. Is that what you're going to say?
No.
Oh. I'm just going to like...
So my slime and her slime is going to turn green.
Okay, so it's starting to turn into slime.
Mine's formed basically already.
I'm not going to be doing a sticky. She might, I don't know. I don't like sticky slime.
Who does?
A lot of YouTubers, they make their slime jiggly, and they make it so sticky. And if you got long sleeves, roll them up. I can't remember the word.
So every time you do it, the first time you stir, let's do it for 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Feel your slime? Mine is sticky. So add some more of your activator. Then, after you add your activator, you're going to count for 30 seconds. 1, 2,
3,000. 4 million.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30.
Okay.
Feel your slime?
Super sticky. Yours might be able to be mixed with your hands. I need more activator. And then you can do 20 seconds to the memory.
40.
40.
1, 2, 3. And you might just think we're counting for no reason, but I've done this before and it works. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, and 40. Then feel your slime.
Mine is sticky.
If it's not bad,
Mine wasn't.
then just pause the video and you'll be done. But if it is, start over again, so count to 10 and add more of your activator. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yours slime should be ready.
So I'm just going to place them.
If not, just act like it. Just add more activator.
Or just don't count. Do you have to count?
Hmm?
Do you have to count if yours is like a little sticky, just not too sticky?
You have to count to 10.
Always, just
Yes.
just keep on counting to 10.
10, then 20, then 30, then 40.
Okay, so you never do 50.
Never do 50. When you get to 40, you just go back to 10.
And why is that?
Because if you go to 50, you are counting too high, your slime will get too mixed and turn into a bad slime. So 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Look at my slime. Okay, so can I put it there on the table?
And I think your slime should be done by then.
Now,
if
once
not.
you're playing with it, just add activator.
Hello, I
on
was
there.
talking there. Slime is bad, bad, bad. It's getting all over my hands, and I don't like it. And don't blame me, because your slime is so much worse.
I know. But mine's better right now.
Now.
Mixing with your hands actually is better than mixing with any utensil.
Yes,
Because
because
it makes it in so quicker. Much quicker. Oh.
when I was playing with this, my mom asked me, "Don't you ever get tired playing with that?" I'm like, "It's slime, Mom. Of course I don't." She's weird and she thinks slime looks like boogers.
My mom does too, and it's the weirdest thing ever because it does not look like boogers to me at all. I think it looks like slime. People make people make slime.
Looks like boogers to old people. No, I'm kidding.
Actually, people do make it clear and yellow, and it's just sticky, and it's like Jello. I've seen it like on TV, and it's disgusting. So make it right. I can tell you that.
And if you wanted to, in the middle of the video, you could have added shaving cream. If you regret not adding shaving cream, just add it now. It's not going to kill your slime. It will actually foam it.
Yeah. I think we have it. I don't know.
Do you have it?
Yeah. I don't know if we're going to add it. We might. But
You can make shaving cream. All you need is lotion and water. Mix those two together in a bottle and shake. Leave it set for 1 day, and then you're good. You will have your own homemade shaving cream.
And you can shave with us.
So, I hope you enjoyed how to make slime that is Christmassy.
And I'm going to show you the glitter.
So, Addie, why don't you try adding one of the papers while we have our 4 minutes left.
Okay, so I'm just grabbing all the reds so I can. Okay, so I'm gonna do like chunks. So
I will show her how to do it. So Addie,
I've
Let me
seen it
see
before.
this.
Hey, why aren't you using your slime?
I don't want it on me. I don't want to do it. So take yours. Okay, these slimes are confusing. They look exactly the same. Wrap it like you're wrapping a Christmas present. Does not have to fully cover it. If you want it to, then just grab another piece, wrap it around. Now, see how her slime is wrapped around? You can only see some of it. Now, just play with it normally.
This is not working. Make it hard. Have you ever done this?
Yes, I have.
I'm gonna not do it this time.
And it will start working.
Just doesn't work at first.
To you.
Yeah.
The people that haven't done it before, it doesn't work. But I have, so here's some pieces of red.
And it's so satisfying. And then you just keep on squeezing it.
Look at that.
And then I'm gonna add some pink. I mean, not pink, white.
It's a very, 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 very light pink. There you go. So we really hope you enjoyed our video, and we hope you make this slime. Comment down below if the slime did not work, and comment down below if it did. Please like and subscribe. If you don't, we don't care, as long as your slime worked. Have a happy holiday. And a happy new year too.